Waking up with me, but this ain't love, you see, it's different than you thought it would be. Rather keep you closer, hoping that you're gonna hold up. Give me time, I'll take a second and we roast this blunt. I ain't high yet, fuck what your type is. Baby girl, the only one who knows just why I'm like this, yeah. I'm really different, so silly, why the distance between us, I'll never give in. Hold up, what's the difference, yeah? Got me tripping on some dumb shit. Running back and forth before I forget how to function. Where the love is, I don't really notice. Keep my focus forward, flowing over. Brush your shoulders, I've laid it before they push you over. Never to think of you when I be on endeavors, never gonna let it up as long as we be here together. True, only a piece of what I got for you. So when they ask about it, yeah, you know there's nothing to lose, yeah. Tell me why you fighting, big girl, I know exactly why you want this. Tell me why you fighting, big girl, I know exactly how you, hey. Rather blaze it up with you than anybody else. Counting that nothing, I let you know if I'm gon' need some help. Nah, a little minute, they not really falling for something that wasn't real, so I don't feel it, homie. Keep them closer than the rest of them. Never let the best of us get to you, know so much better than anything I've ever seen, honestly. Fuck them other dudes, they got nothing on me. I'm so unaccountable to see, so what you want in me? I think it's something new. I see you searching for something, so kind of on the loose. Nah, don't call it quits unless you find a losing. I find the bruises more after when I account for losing. Producers moving the track that I'm using. Probably see I'm doing better when I do nothing, just cool. I know it's harder to find. You probably see me, I've been losing my mind, but it's alright, yeah. Tell me why you fighting, big girl, I know exactly how you want this. Tell me why you fighting, baby girl, I know exactly how you. Let me roll this, hold up, let me focus on you. Give me one more second and I'll show you what's new with me. I know you really ain't that cool with me, but tell me why I act a fool, it ain't cool, you see. Yeah.
You got a cafe. They wouldn't have anywhere to put it. Recapturing the power. You gotta shake it up.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
There's a crowd.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
It's wild.
I think a fall angel just walked by. Think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.